Hello, my name is Angie Jones, and I am a proud alumna from the UNT class of 1991. I currently serve on the UNT Alumni Association Board of Directors and as Vice President for the Black Alumni Network. In addition to being a national best-selling author, I am also a career project manager. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about the new project design and analysis program at the UNT Frisco campus. As a project management professional for over 20 years, I can tell you that a career in project management has tremendously rewarded me in terms of the flexibility that it offers. Not only have I had the chance to work in a variety of areas from marketing to database management to even managing more technical projects, but a career in project management has also allowed me to flex my creative muscles in terms of developing and writing content for some of the programs and projects that I manage. So, if you're a student looking to get more exposure to multiple career fields and a good hands-on education in the field of project management, then the UNT Frisco PDA program is perfect for you. The UNT PDA program helps students develop as leaders while also giving them the experience they need in communicating with cohorts and other industry professionals in real-life career scenarios. I can personally say that the skills that I've learned as a project manager have helped me to excel in my careers as both a marketing professional and a banker, and also as a writer. We here at the UNT community are here to support you in achieving all of your goals. So again, if you're looking for a unique program that focuses on team building, hands-on experience, and offers a diverse and inclusive environment, please contact us for more information. Thank you.